Hey everyone, I'm Kate from nextselectiondream.com. Thanks for checking out this review video. In this video, I'll help you determine whether this product is the right fit for you, if it really delivers on its promises, and how the system actually works. But before we dive in, I want you to take a look at one of our students' results. This has been achieved through affiliate marketing with zero investment. So stick around, because this could be the turning point that you've been waiting for. However, before we dive into the product demo and the full walkthrough, including our 9 income streams as a free bonus, let me share a little about my journey. So, for the last 6 years, I worked as a dentist, earning a comfortable salary of around $12,000 per month. And whilst it was a stable career, I always felt like something was missing. I wanted financial freedom, I wanted time flexibility, and I wanted the ability to create real wealth. That's when I discovered Next Selection Dream, and it has completely changed my life. I took a leap of faith and I left my dentistry career behind, and I went all in on online business. Today, I've built a 9-figure income using the exact system that we teach now. And if I can do it, so can you. Take a look at the results from our students who have successfully transformed their lives. Many of them started with zero experience and are now generating consistent passive income using the exact methods that we teach in our 9 income streams. And guess what? We're giving you access to our entire income system for free. Yes, you've heard that right. No upfront fees, no hidden charges, just a straightforward system that helps you build wealth effortlessly. Now, I know you've clicked on this review video because you want to know whether this product is worth your investment. And I can completely understand. I want you to know that I can confidently say that this is a legitimate and a high quality solution developed by an expert who has helped thousands now achieve financial success. At the end of this video, I'll provide a full demo and a walkthrough so you can see exactly how it works. Now here's where things get exciting. When you take that action today and you access this product through the link in the video description below, we are going to give you lifetime access to our 9 premium income streams. And we'll give that to you as an exclusive bonus. These income streams are valued at thousands of dollars, but we're going to give them to you at no extra cost because we truly believe in helping our community succeed. So if you want to buy this product and you're watching this review video, I've added the link for you in the description below. Now, please note, you need to buy through that link. And if you do, you'll get a lifetime access to all 9 income streams as a bonus. Plus, we'll give you lifetime updates and support. Now, let's talk about how you can access our 9 income streams from nextselectiondream.com. You can check out our affiliate school, which we call Next Selection Dream. Here you'll find 9 different income streams, each with its own price tag, but we don't charge you anything for them. If you've decided to buy this product and came to this video for a review, I've included the link in the video description below. When you purchase through the link in the description, you'll get lifetime access to all 9 income streams as a bonus, along with lifetime updates and support. Let's dive into the bonus details. Our first income stream is called the Complete Affiliate Marketing on Autopilot Masterclass. If you're new to affiliate marketing, it's a simple process where you promote other people's products and earn 50 to 75% commissions. Here, you can see one of our results using the autopilot method with WordPress and ChatGTP, requiring no investment. We also teach you how this same system works for Amazon affiliate marketing. We've created a detailed tutorial video that walks you through everything, step by step. Just copy and paste. You'll get access to 90+ modules, breaking down the process so anyone from beginners to experts can follow along. Each income stream comes with a step-by-step video tutorial for easy access and implementation. My bonuses are different from others. Many other reviews promise software, outdated courses or PDFs, just to create hype and get you to buy from them. But I've seen people offer free bonuses without actually providing real value. I want to be transparent. I'll show you exactly what you're getting, not just talk about bonuses without proof. Unlike others, I'll give you a full look inside the members area. I believe Next Selection Dream is the right fit for you, according to other bonuses. Also, feel free to jump into our website now. Let's dive into the second income stream, how to make passive income on Amazon KDP with $0. Here you can see one of our Amazon KDP earning dashboards where all the results come from organic traffic, no investment needed. We achieved this using ChatGTP, Google Bard and Canva for free. All our income streams rely on free autopilot targeted traffic, so there's no need to spend money on ads. In this income stream, you'll simply copy and paste the step-by-step process we teach based on our years of experience. Now, let's move on to the third income stream, the best strategy to make money with a TikTok shop account. We'll provide you with winning products and the exact content strategy we use to generate sales on autopilot. You can easily apply this method to your own TikTok account. Due to privacy reasons, we can't show our TikTok shop earnings, but the strategy we share is proven and highly effective. Once you purchase this product using the link at the top of the description, you'll get instant access to all 9 income streams, no waiting required. Here's how to access them immediately. If you buy from Warrior Plus or jvzoo, your purchase dashboard will look like this. You'll see an option called Access Affiliate Bonus. Click on it and you'll be redirected to our private sign-up page where you'll unlock all 9 income streams for free. For jvzoo purchases, the dashboard will look slightly different, but you'll find a second button labelled Activate 9 Income Streams from nextselectiondream.com for a lifetime. Click on it and you're in. The private sign-up page will look like this. Here's what you need to do. Enter your first name and your last name. Enter your email address, enter a password and confirm that password. Enter the name of the product you purchased. Select the purchase platform. If you bought from Warrior Plus, type Warrior Plus. If jvzoo, type jvzoo. If from another platform, type Others. Next, enter the number of upsells you purchased. If you only bought the front end, enter 1. If you purchased 2 upsells from the same product, enter 2, and so on. The more upsells you purchase, the more exclusive benefits and access you'll get to our new upcoming income streams. Now let's talk about our fourth income stream. Affiliate Marketing ClickBank Success Guide, Make Money in 2025. You can check out one of our students' results using this method. This strategy is all about Facebook ads and it's perfect for promoting affiliate products through paid traffic. You'll also get access to our $1,000 per day winning campaign on Facebook ads. Everything is laid out for you. Just copy, paste and apply the system to master ClickBank affiliate marketing with Facebook ads. Now let's dive into the fifth income stream. ChatGTP Pinterest ClickBank Affiliate Marketing Masterclass. Check out one of our students achieved great results with the ClickBank affiliate program using Pinterest, all through free traffic, no paid ads needed. This method leverages AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and to drive traffic and sales. You'll learn a secret, hidden technique to generate massive traffic to your affiliate links, while also growing your Pinterest account. For example, one of our Pinterest accounts consistently made 5 to 10 sales per week in the past. Plus, this method works for any niche, helping you promote any product successfully. Now, let's jump into our 6th income stream: affiliate marketing autopilot, Amazon niche sites made easy. This is one of our biggest income streams, revealing hidden strategies that top gurus use to make huge profits, but never share with anyone. You'll get exclusive insights into how to succeed with Amazon affiliate program using simple organic traffic methods that are completely unique. You can check out one of our Amazon affiliate dashboards showing our students have earned as big as Amazon affiliates. The best part, you only need to copy and paste these strategies into your own income stream. Plus, we've detailed a case study in the course to show exactly how it works. Next up is our 7th income stream, ClickBank affiliate success, plus 2 live done-for-you campaigns and case studies. In this course, we provide live proof of earnings along with 2 different case studies that generated results in less than 24 hours. You'll be able to copy and apply the exact same method to your own ClickBank affiliate marketing strategy. If you're new to ClickBank, don't worry. We also include a deep dive training that covers what ClickBank is and how to use it effectively to maximize your earnings. Now, let's jump into our 8th income stream. Launch Jacking Killer, dominate affiliate marketing like a pro. Here, you can see real results from one of our students who started dominating affiliate marketing using the launch jacking method with YouTube and blogging, all without any investment. This is a day 1 beginner-friendly strategy. In this income stream, you'll learn how to leverage the launch jacking method using free tools and AI-powered platforms like ChatGPT to maximize your success effortlessly. Now, let's talk about our 9th and final income stream, YouTube and hosting affiliate programs. In this training, we'll show you how to sign up for hosting affiliate programs and find low competition keywords to rank easily. You can earn a solid income by creating simple videos, no need to show your face. We cover everything from script creation to audio generation, and AI handles most of the work for you. With the right script, format, and title, you can start getting sales. Some of our students have made $500 to $800 per week by working just 1 hour a day. If you purchase this product through the link in the description below, you'll get instant access to all 9 income streams, along with future updates, as we frequently add new income streams. Each of these income streams typically comes with a high price tag, but their total combined value is $6,139. However, for a limited time, you can access everything for free as an exclusive private bonus. Thanks for watching this review video. Now, let's walk through the members area.